Welcome back to Top 5 Tray. We are talking about the Dyson V15s Detect Submarine is Dyson's first ever wet and dry cordless vacuum. It combines their powerful stick vacuum technology with a new mopping system designed for hard floors. But does this 2-in-1 device live up to the hype? In this honest review, we'll break down its real-world performance, strengths, and the compromises you should know before buying. Remember, all the products featured in this video will be linked down in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out if you're interested. At first glance, the V15s Detect Submarine looks like a typical Dyson stick vacuum, sleek, lightweight, and modular. It weighs around 6.8 pounds, 3.1 kilograms, and comes with Dyson's signature red click attachments. The standout feature is the Submarine wet roller head, which includes separate clean and dirty water tanks. It's designed for mopping hard floors without oversaturating them. The roller is soft and motorized, and the entire head is washable for easy maintenance. As a vacuum, the V15s performs exceptionally well. It uses Dyson's hyperdymium motor, delivering up to 240 air watts of suction. The fluffy optic cleaner head projects a green laser to highlight fine dust on hard floors, making it easier to see and clean. For carpets, the digital motor bar head adjusts suction automatically and includes anti-tangle technology, which is great for pet hair. In eco mode, you can expect up to 60 minutes of runtime, though this decreases in higher power modes. The mopping function is where the Submarine head comes into play. It uses 8 water jets to evenly distribute water onto the microfiber roller, dispensing about 18 milliliters per minute. This system is effective for cleaning dried-on stains and everyday spills on hard floors. However, the Submarine head lacks suction, meaning it doesn't pick up debris. Therefore, it's recommended to vacuum before mopping. Additionally, the 300 milliliters clean water tank and 360 milliliters dirty water tank are relatively small, requiring frequent refills and emptying during extended cleaning sessions. Swapping between vacuum and mop modes is straightforward thanks to Dyson's click and lock system. The vacuum is easy to maneuver, and the Submarine head glides smoothly over floors. However, maintenance can be a bit cumbersome. The dirty water tank isn't fully sealed, so removing the Submarine head can result in water dripping onto the floor. It's advisable to have a drip tray nearby. When detaching the mop head, cleaning the roller and water tanks after each use is necessary to prevent odors and maintain performance. The V15e comes with a 2.5-dot 2V3600 mAh lithium-ion battery, offering up to 60 minutes of runtime in eco mode. Charging takes about 4.5 hours. Noise levels vary depending on the mode and attachment used. In eco mode, it operates around 70 dB, while boost mode can reach up to 83 dB. The fluffy optic head is quieter compared to the digital motor bar head. The Dyson V15s Detect Submarine is priced at approximately $949.99. It's available through Dyson's official website and authorized retailers. While it's a premium price point, the combination of powerful vacuuming and mopping capabilities in a single device may justify the cost for those seeking convenience and performance. The Dyson V15s Detect Submarine is a versatile cleaning tool that excels in vacuuming and offers a convenient mopping function for hard floors. While it has some limitations, particularly with the mopping system, it's a solid choice for those seeking a 2-in-1 solution. If you're already in the Dyson ecosystem or looking for a high-performance cordless vacuum with added mopping capabilities, the V15s Detect Submarine is worth considering. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, you deserve the best and nothing less. So be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Trust me, out of your top 5 best decisions, this is definitely gonna be one of them. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helped you make an informed decision. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, peace out.